I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to submit an appeal for a TikTok community guidelines violation. TikTok is a great platform for sharing your content and connecting with people who like your content. However, there are a lot of rules, and it doesn't take a lot to include something in your video that gets auto-detected as being in violation of TikTok's community guidelines. It's important that you review your TikTok community guidelines violation reason, and if you disagree with TikTok's reason, to be clear why you disagree with TikTok, and then submit an appeal. Submitting an appeal for TikTok violations is important because your TikTok account could get banned if you pile up too many violations. Now let's walk through the steps to find the reason for your TikTok community guidelines violation. Step 1. Launch the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. As a reminder, you can't see your TikTok community guidelines violation reason on the TikTok website. You'll land on your TikTok home screen. Step 2. Tap Profile. You'll land on your TikTok profile screen. Step 3. Make sure the post icon is selected and then scroll down until you find your post that violated TikTok's community guidelines. Step 4. Tap your post that violated TikTok's community guidelines. You'll see a message on this screen telling you the specific reason this TikTok post was removed. Step 5. Tap See Details at the bottom of this screen. You'll land on a video removed screen that will give you more information about why your video was found to violate TikTok's community guidelines. Step 6. Scroll down to the feedback section and then tap Disagree. You'll be prompted to choose why you disagree with TikTok's decision to remove your video. Step 7. Choose the specific reason you disagree with TikTok for removing your video, and then tap Submit. A screen letting you know that your feedback was submitted is shown. Step 8. Tap Submit Appeal. You'll land on a screen where you can request another review. Step 9. Tap Submit to request another review of your TikTok video. The next screen lets you know that your appeal has been received and that you'll get a notification as soon as there is an update around your content. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.